Hello guys, today we will be doing Dream versus Star. Snicker Bus. Okay, so kids, we will be going to school. We will be going to school. There's a Lamborghini Huracan over there. Move out of the way. Ow! Ow! Help! I lost my head. Oh, I touched with spider with my head. That's funny. Oh no. I'm back here, guys. 400. 250. 200. I grabbed it with the screen. I need someone bad for that. Moo. We invented that and we both crashed. How funny. I got to not be in the front. Help! I'm stuck. Beep boop. Beep beep boop. Hold on to them. This door. This. We are going to cross train. We are going to cross train. We are going to cross train. That was train and then he didn't move it was stuck. Hello, I lost my left arm and my hat. Why are they? Oh no. The first one is on the grass. No. And the second one is on the grass. We are going to cross train. How dare someone spawn with the train? No, don't. Reverse. We are doing reverse. I did not die. Yay, bomb. Why don't I drive? Ow! You ran. why does today with the bus or the bus just beep 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 beep. That stuff it's the ambulance just speed. Stop. In the last video of Twin was it that funny moments, but then I even got stabbed by the twin horn. Ow! The train slapped me. Okay, just forget about that. Mini! Why does it's not mini activated? Then why does it say mini activated? Mini! How can I drive an invisible car? Darf etwas. Money. No. That was an Antitrust competition. Oh no, we are going to dress into the. Pew, pew. Pew, pew. Forward, forward. Reverse, reverse. Why did it even stop doing it?
What do you do? What are you doing here, my brother?
I'm playing Roblox.
Okay.
What the heck is going on?
Okay, play Roblox. Fucking noob. I'm joking, I'm joking.
I was gonna say you are fucking noob, but you don't.
Yes, sorry.
It's okay.
It's okay. I love you.
No.
Fuck you, noob. Joke. I'm joking.
Fuck you, noob. I'm joking.
What are you doing, step brother?
Did you just start me, step brother?
No.
The back
I love you.
So corny. No. What it's doing? Both streets divided still. I didn't even start on lifetime. I'm gonna see his right bus. Boom, boom, boom. I want. Hey, this is my bus. It's not yours. See, I told you it's my bus, not yours. Yay, Bomber Dad! How did the bus crash? Okay, bye guys.